Hey everyone, I'm back to show you exactly how to delete your snaps on Snapchat. It's a straightforward process that won't take up much of your time. Let's get started. First things first, open your Snapchat application, swipe left or right to find the specific chat you want to delete. Once you have located, simply long press on the chat to access more options. Now you will see a menu with several options like Manage Friendship, Chat Settings and Storage Settings. Click on Chat Settings to proceed. In the Chat Settings menu, you will find the option Clear from Chat Feed. Selecting this option, you will delete all the chats you have had with that person from your chat feed. If you want more control over the deletion process, you can choose Delete Chats. Here you can configure where the chat gets deleted after viewing or within 24 hours. It's up to you to decide the time frame. Once you have made your selection, click Clear and all the messages with this person will be deleted from your feed. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or need more further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and most importantly, smash that subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, peace out.